Today I'm gonna do a pixels.com just walkthrough. Let me see how this software works, what all you can do with this software. Basically this allows you to create a YouTube thumbnails very fast, real fast. So let's check this out, and let's go about this software feature by feature and see what all you can do. So the moment I open pixels.com app, it says you can click on this tab. It says new chat, and there is an option to create thumbnail with the help of a command. So let me give it a command, giraffe drinking coke and relaxing on a beach, and write I love coke on the same. So this is just a normal command that I just am giving, and I click on this tab. It says generate, and let's see if it creates some thumbnail. So we'll have to wait a couple of seconds, and this pixels is gonna create a thumbnail for us, and we need not do any kind of coding. We don't have to use Canva, we don't have to do anything, we just give him command. So I really like this software. I have used it for a couple of my videos. So let's see what it generates now, and almost 60% done, 100% done now. So I can see a giraffe actually drinking a coke, and I love coke is written. So that easy it was. So what you can do is you can give a command to edit anything in case you don't like, or you can just download it. There is an option of downloading, and you can just download and use it in your YouTubes. So there is another cool feature that I want to show you, and that is like, so let's say I'm going to YouTube. So I read about Neil Patel sometimes. So let's see, there is this banner that he has created, or let me find some nice banner. I think let's copy this one only. So let's see, I want to no, there is a, I'll find something interesting. So okay, so there is this guy Dan Cave. He says he made 200k with this AI. The AI made this. So let's copy his banner.
This creator made over
So all you have to do is just copy this URL of the video for which you want to copy the banner, and there is an option which says recreate. Or let's start with the new chat. Yes, there is an option which says recreate. I'll just paste the YouTube link over here. So inspiration weight is the second tab. So how inspired you want to be with this banner that we have just asked him to create. So if you will keep it low, then it will just take the inspiration, and it will just create a banner which is not exactly the same, right? So I'll just take inspiration weight as high, because I want to keep my banner more or less same. So I'll click on high, and in case you want some changes in the banner, you can write that, right? So like it was saying, he made 200k. If you want to make it 100k or 500k, so these kind of minor changes can also be done later on. So just click on this tab which says generate, and again it will take a couple of seconds. So now what the system is doing, the system is analyzing the URL that I have given. It is reading, and the system is creating a similar looking banner for your business. So by using pixels, my task of making the YouTube banners has really reduced. I take real less time. Now I can be more creative. I can spend more time on ideation of my YouTube videos. So this is again a wonderful tool. So look, it has just created this. AI made 200k. It is a similar kind of a banner that we asked him to use. So what you can do is, there is an option of face swap. You can change this face with yours. You can change this model swap. So there is an option this AI made. So let's say we give it a command, make 200k to 500k. So let's see what happens now. So it's gonna read the image, and it is gonna edit the image for myself. So you can use this option of face swap as well. Just a little tricky thing is there. So just make sure, if you want to do a face swap, make sure it is a male to male or female to female face swap, because I was trying to edit one image of male with my image, and it was not doing it very nicely. So that is again personally my experience, just a little thing that I found in this one. Apart from that, creating this thing, oh, it has shown me the real number, real 500k in front of the lady. So okay, I asked him to edit it, so I have to, so you can do the editing in this option, in this tab as well. So what I'll do is, no, I will just do another thing. In this only, I'll ask to do some changes. So no. So one thing you have to again look into this, like every time you will do editing, there will be some credits that will keep on reducing, like 5 credits or 10 credits. That again will vary as per your plan. So you can just, yeah, so you can play with this tool. And again, if you want to, if you are into a business wherein you need to copy the thumbnails on a very frequent basis, or not copy exactly, but just you want to give it a theme, like I gave him a command to change 200k to 500k. So he has been more creative, and the system is giving me 500k bundles of notes in front of a person sitting. So again, this is a good image. So we can add, we can click on edit, and we can say add the money made by AI to the image. Add, I'll keep it like this, the money made by AI to the image. So let's see now if it does editing. So I think I did a mistake of creating recreate. So you have to do is you have to edit it. I think the editing part will work here. Let's check it out. So I really like the tool. It will really save a lot of your time. So yeah, happy checking this tool. I'll drop the link of my text review in the description, as well as my this link in the description box. So you can either go there and check the tool directly. So yeah, now it has done the money made by AI. So now it has written everything on this image. So yeah, thank you so much for your time. I'll see you in my another video.